Okay, so second question is, Ate Girl, let's talk about naman mini jobs. So ito yung mga sidelines, side hustle, extra income. Ay, nako. So the thing naman dito sa Germany, no, definitely you can do part-time. If I'm going to compare yung work setting sa atin sa Pilipinas versus dito sa Germany, the reason why you can still really do part-time is one, madali mag-commute. Hindi ka abutin ng 2 to 3 hours sa kalsada. Number two, you do have an option na mag-eintragen or magsulat ng Wunschdienst mo. So, pwede ka halimbawa eintragen kailan mo gusto mag-Frühdienst, mag-Spätdienst, or kailan mo gusto mag-Frei. Gamit na gamit to sa akin, especially nung nagmi-mini job ako before, no, para mas ma-plan ko ng maayos yung pagod ko. Charot! Para mas ma-plan ko maayos kung kailan ako magpa-part-time. And then number three is you do have an option for tile site. So, yung full-time hours per week dito is around 38.5 hours to 40 hours per week. Halimbawa, you decided, ayaw mo mag full-time, gusto mo lang ng 85%, 75%. Of course, mas mababa yung salary or neto mo sa mga nagpo-full-time, but you do have an option. Halimbawa, gusto mo ng extra income, edi mag-part-time ka. Kasi at the end of the month, you will also receive yung maximum of 603 euro. Walang tax yun, girl. So, kung may mga sushlag ka during your part-time, sayong-sayo yan. So, that's the reason why there are lots of people who are also doing that. Now, how much ba per stunde? So, it really depends kung saan ka mag-work. Halimbawa, kung sa restaurant, edi mas mababa kumpara kung mag-work ka sa Pflege. And recently, I also discovered Seniorenbegleitung. Halimbawa, game ka na sumama for Einkaufen or Veranstaltung, ganyan. Hello, may ma-receive ka na pera doon. Another term, gulat na gulat ako, meron din sila ng Hundgasi. Yung ikaw lang tagalakad dun sa aso. Ay, talaga naman. But also, let me share with you my personal boundary when I was doing mini job before, no? So, number one, dapat hindi to dagdag stress kesa sa main job ko. Ay, nako. So, ano naman, kumbaga, nakumita ka ng pera, pero grabe-grabe naman yung pagod mo na hindi mo na na-enjoy ang life mo. Ay, ekis yan sa akin. Number two, maximum that I can only do duty per month is 3. So, okay ako na around 2 lang talaga. And I can plot it during my vacation leave, which is technically not ideal kasi gusto mo magpahinga. Pero if wala ka naman ng pupuntahan na urlaub or long vacation, ganyan, I would rather do it so that I would be able to earn money. So, yun lang. Now, it doesn't have to be the same boundary that you would have, no? Kanya-kanya naman yung reason natin kung bakit tayo nagmi-mini job. No? At the end of the day, I want you na ma-enjoy mo yung buhay mo, your life dito sa abroad, and not just talagang puro ka lang ng work. Kasi talagang mababurnout sa burnout ka niyan. So, mag-enjoy ka pa din. But also, look into these kind of options. Lalo na pag 2 years ka na dito sa Germany na mas komportable ka na sa language, that you do have an option na mag-extra income. So, thank you so much!